Okay, so last night we had some terrible weather here. Lots of snow, high winds, wind gusts in the high 60-mile-per-hour range, and now I have to go outside and see if my bees made it. This is my bee shed with little orchard bee houses on the side of it, and you get a feel for the wind here. Going out into the bee yard, yesterday I made preparations by strapping them down, but now we're going to walk around and see if there is proof of life in the bee yard. The wind just, comes and goes, blasts, snow blows across, the snow drifts across roads, schools were closed, delayed, and so on. Here's my tiger hive. 2 big vent holes in the bottom let me know that those bees are alive in there and that there's a lot of them, so they made it. You have these tie-down straps. Look at the vent hole in the front of this one. They're still breathing. And the second box on these, of course, is a dry feeder now. There's only bees in the lower boxes of these 2 flow hives. This is the flow hive 2. And there's a vent hole there. I know they're still alive. And the wind chill is down in the single digits. These are the tie downs I put down yesterday just to make sure nothing blew off. The flow hive 2 there. Looking down to the south side here, I've got this independent hive. Again, the second box on this one just has a feeder in it with dry feed. And you can see at the landing board there, it's venting too, so I know those bees are alive. When you have bees and big storms like this come through, all you want to know is if they didn't get blown over at night or if a bear didn't get them or something else. But they're all doing great. It was really nice to come out and see that nothing blew over. The straps held. They have augers going into the ground. I'll give you links to the augers and straps that I used down in the video description. They work great. Tiny vent hole here. That means there's bees in there and they're moving air and keeping their breathing pathway open. Hard to believe anything survives winters like this. One of my weather stations. This one actually was recording speeds 35 to 40 mile an hour gusts, while the other one only counted speeds up into the 20s. There's a back side of the flow hives here. They stayed put. That's great. Glad they made it. Now all we need is some warmer weather. Thanks for watching. If your bees are in the high wind zone for the past couple of days, I hope they made it too.